This is a video tutorial that will help you better understand how to utilize the description box that is on the portal sites. To begin, let's look at the description box as a whole. As you can see, there is a large white area where text and images can go. Above it is a toolbar with many different options. That is what we will be focusing on in this video. Let's start in the upper left-hand corner and work our way across. This is the source button. If I were to type something into my description box and click source, it would put it into HTML code. If you are not familiar with HTML code, this may not be a very helpful button for you to use. You would simply click source again, and it would take you back to regular text. You may use whichever you feel the most comfortable with. The next button is the preview button. If I click on this, a new window will open and will show me the text that I've typed into the box. It is a preview of what the public will see. Next is the template button. If I click on this, I'm given 3 options for templates that I can use inside my description box. I'm going to show you an example with the image and title box. As you can see, there's a new area where I can type a title and text underneath. To change any of this, I simply highlight it, delete it, and begin typing in that area. The templates are an easy way for you to outline the information within your description box. Now, this is where a picture would go. Keep in mind that classifieds do not allow pictures in the description boxes. However, enhanced business directory listings do allow images. The next button that we see is scissors. This is the cut button. I would click on this, and it would cut out anything that I had highlighted. However, it does not delete it. If I want that information back, I would hit the paste button. Now let's say I know I'm going to be using this word many times. I could highlight it and click on the copy button. It would keep it there, but then allow me, whenever I feel, to paste it again and again. Next to the paste button is the paste as plain text button. Clicking on this, again, pastes anything that I've copied, but this time in plain text. When I click on the Paste from Word button, a small dialog box opens. As I read the instructions, I see that if I find a Word document, all I have to do is copy the information from there and paste it into here, and it will put it in the same format into my description box. Now, I have a Word document right here that I would like to use for my ad. I'm simply going to highlight it, copy it, and paste it into this text box. The color, font style, and everything stays the same. If I realize this may be the wrong Word document to use, I hit Clean Up Box and it will delete everything in there. I'm going to click OK. This then translates everything from Microsoft Word into the description box without me having to worry about copying and pasting it in and then reformatting it. This is the spell check button. I will click on this to double check all of the spelling within my ad. As you can see, I have no misspellings. This is the undo button. Let's say I didn't want any of that text in there. I would hit undo, and it is all gone. However, let's say I hit undo and realize that I did want it, I hit redo, and it all reappears. The binoculars button is find. If I click on this, and I wanted to find a particular word, I would type in the word I'm looking for and hit find. It would then highlight wherever that word is found. Now let's say after typing in my description I realize I spelt something wrong. I would click on this button, which is find and replace. I want to find the entire phrase Tickle Me Elmo and replace it with Elmo Live. If I hit replace, it will replace it once. If I hit replace all, it will replace it every time it is found. I will hit replace all. I can scroll down and see that Elmo Live has been changed here and here. If for some reason you want to select all of the information within your description box, either to cut or copy it, you simply hit Select All. This will highlight all of the information. From here, you can go back to those buttons we talked about earlier. This is the Remove Format button. All of the text within my description box is a blue. If I hit Remove Format, this line that I highlighted will be taken back to the default black. This next line of buttons are all very basic to any Microsoft Word document. This is the strike-through button. If I were to highlight my price and show that I'd slashed the price, I could do a strike-through. I would then hit strike-through again and type in my new price. Sometimes there are special characters that are not located on our keyboard. The Insert Special Characters button is here to help you with this. I'm going to add in an arrow, and there it appears. Now let's use these buttons beneath it to show how we can make it bigger, and change the font, and the format, and the style. You can also change text color with the text color box and personalize it in any way that you wish. To change the background color where your text is located, you would select all of the information within your description box by clicking Select All, and then click on the background color button. Then select the color that you would like the background of your text to be. As you can see, everywhere where I've typed now has a black background. There are countless things you can do with the description box, as shown in this tutorial video, and your opportunities are nearly endless.